Hello, welcome to English Sprout. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. In today's episode, we're exploring basic greetings and introductions in English. Let's get started. Before we start, let's understand two important words greetings and introductions. A greeting is how we say hello or start a conversation. Greetings are words or phrases we use to say hello and show kindness or respect when we meet someone or see someone. Some common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? Use these greetings depending on the time of day. Use good morning until noon. Use good afternoon until around 5 p.m. And use good evening after that. What are introductions? Introductions is how we tell people who we are. Introductions are words or actions we use to tell people who we are or to help others meet each other for the first time. Some examples include my name is Sarah. I'm David. Nice to meet you. This is my friend, Emma. Next, how do you respond to the question, how are you? To respond to the question, you would say, I'm fine, thank you. Or you could say, I'm good, how about you? Another example would be, I'm great, I'm fine, not bad, I'm okay. How to introduce yourself. When you meet someone new, you can say, my name is Emma, for example, or simply say, I'm Emma. Don't forget to add, nice to meet you. When introducing yourself, consider the following steps to make a positive impact or a positive impression. Start with a greeting. Begin with a friendly greeting, such as hello or hi. Next, state your name. Clearly say your name so the other person can hear and remember it. Next, share relevant information. Provide a bit of context about yourself, such as your job, your interests, or the purpose for your introduction. Engage in conversation. Ask questions or make a comment to encourage the other person to respond to foster a great two-way conversation. Next, be confident. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly to convey confidence. Lastly, practice active listening. Pay attention to the other person's response and show genuine interest. By following these steps, you can create a warm and effective introduction that helps build rapport with others. Next, introducing others. You can also introduce your friends. For example, this is my friend, Maria. Or I'd like you to meet John. Or John, this is Maria. Let's review. Today we've learned greetings, introductions, responses, and how to introduce yourself and others. Great job. Thank you for watching English Sprout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our site for free worksheets and lessons. See you next time. Goodbye.